Welcome back to another video, guys. I was asked to analyze Volatility 75 index. So here in today's video, we'll be having a market analysis on V75 index price action basically, and we'll be analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame to look at for our possible trade opportunities. So coming to the monthly time frame, because whenever I want to analyze the market, I start from a higher time frame. It can be the monthly time frame, the weekly time frame, or the daily time frame. So on this analysis, we'll be analyzing from the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame on this index, we have two major market direction. First direction is markets being in an uptrend, markets moving to the upside, and the second direction is market moving to the downside. So these are the two major market directions we got on 75 index, and the current market direction is market doing what? Moving to the downside. So we should focus on the sell side of the market. We should focus on the downside of the market. And we got our previous low at this zone. After you might have identified the market direction, next thing we need to spot our possible levels, our possible zones. Right, so we got our lowest low on this index at this point. So what do we expect of this index? Are we to get possible sells to this zone for price to come test this lowest low? This lowest low of this index was formed on the 1st of January 2019, and we've seen that market is trying to approach these lows that was formed years ago, like 5 years ago now, that this index formed this low. So we are trying to see price do what? Sell to the downside. We've gotten 3 bearish months, like 2 major bearish months. The last month and this current month has been very bearish on 75 index. So we have our next level, our next zone at this point, which we can see that market broke below this level as a support, which was previously a support level. Then we got the retest to enter as a resistance, and we are getting the sales currently to the downside. So we got our next level at this point, which we have to identify. We can see that price has broken below this last level, this last support level, and we're getting price do what? Sell to the downside. So currently we have a clear view on this index now on the weekly time frame, because we are able to identify the market direction on the monthly time frame. Now spot our levels and zones. The first level we got was at this zone, right, and the second level at this point, which price just broke below, which was previously a support level. Now price broke below, it's turning into a resistance because price is trading below this level, right? So what do we expect of this index? Me personally, I'm expecting a simple market move, which is a retracement to this broken level of support, now turned resistance for the sells, right? I'm expecting a move of this kind. Let's go to the daily time frame. I'm expecting price to give a move of this kind, a retest of this level, then the sells to the downside, and I'm expecting a retest of this low for price to come revisit this lowest low we got at this zone, this low that was formed on the 1st of January 2019. I'm expecting price to sell to this level at least. So long-term sales still expected, regardless of this little move you are getting here, this little bullish moves you are getting at this point on the daily time frame. I'm still expecting more sales after this little retest, right? So how do we approach this index? How do we get into the trade? How do we take advantage of this trade opportunity of these long-term sales? Remember, for us to get the sales from our expected zone, we have to get price move to the upside. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to have another view on this index. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that market is still on a downtrend. Right, market is still on a downtrend, and we just got price break out of this downtrend. We got our downtrend support, so resistance level at this zone. Price selling from us a resistance, and resistance at this point, and our trend support here, right? Our trend support at this zone. So we can see that price has broken out of this downtrend structure, right? So the buy move is expected to this zone for the long-term sales on V75 index. So how do we take advantage of this short-term buy opportunity on V75 index before we can get the long-term sales? We have our possible level at this zone. This is a level of support and resistance. You can see this is a key level because we got price buy from as a support, resistance, support here, resistance at this zone before price broke above this level. So my expectation simply is for price to give a retest of this broken level on the 1-hour time frame, a retest of this kind, price giving a retest to this zone, something of this kind, like a retest of this level for the buy move to the upside, right? For the buy move to the upside, and we can see that market is already creating this higher lows formation, which is a bullish market structure. Price is creating this higher lows formation, right? So I'm expecting price to just give a little retest of this zone, test of this level, right, for the buy move. So I'm short term bullish on 75 index and long term bearish on 75 index as well. And for confirmations of this our buy level, we can bring up our Fibonacci retracement to matching it up from the swing lows to the swing highs. We can see that this identified level is matching up with this is 1.8 Fibonacci retracement level and the 50.0 level, which are good retracement points. So that's it, guys. That's my view and market analysis on the V75 index price action. Basically, I was able to analyze from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame for my trade opportunity. So I'm looking out for the short-term buy move to this zone, short-term buy move on the V75 index to this level, right, for long-term sells back to the downside to the lowest lows level that was formed on 2019. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button and drop a good comment on this video for more market analysis like this. And you can as well tell me the next index you would want me to analyze. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support. Please engage in my videos. Chilling me a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.